if you have a piece here in the middle here and you want to move it up to here, then all you have to do is bring its location over to here. And then just move it up like that, and then move the whole cross back. So here's another example. If it can go up here easily this way like that, then instead we are going to take its spot where it should go and then bring it all the way to here like that, and then move this up and then put the whole cross back. Once you finish the cross, then we are solving the first layer corners. If you get something like this and you hold it on the right side, you are about to do the four move to put it here. You have to repeat this either 1, 3 or 5 times. So when the white sticker is on the right side, you only have to do it once. Now the worst case is when the white sticker is on the front and you have to repeat it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there's another way you can do this, and that's just by using your left hand. Because when you put it here, then this is on the side, so it's only gonna take 1 time like that. Now what if the white is facing up and you want to put it down here? You have to repeat it 3 times. Instead you can do this. Do the regular 4 move, but the top turn to twice. So that's the first 4 move, and now you just did it 1 more time. So again, this will look like this. So when you take corners out at the bottom and have it face front to begin with, and I end up with having on top, which is not very good because that's the one that takes the longest. So instead, if I take this one up with my left hand and by holding it on the side first, then I get the right on the side, which is a lot easier to insert it just like that. So what if you notice that as you are about to insert the corner, that edge is actually soft already, which means you don't want to do it again later. But if you put the corner in right now, it will unsolve that edge and you will have to do it again. But instead, there's a trick to put this one in here without taking the edge out. So what you do is move this away like that, so you are facing it, and then do the 4 move. Then insert the corner now. That will actually save the edge. And now here's another example. Before you enter the corner, you just move it away this way, and the white sticker is facing you. Now do the 4 move, then insert the corner now. And now here's the last case, is what if white was facing up and you want to save it edge as you put in. Then all you have to do is repeat the 4 move 3 times. Don't use the trick that I talked about, just go 1, 2, 3, and you will solve this. And here's another example. Just do the 4 move 3 times. There is a common case right into the second layer, is where this side is soft but these 2 colors are locked and they need to be switched. So how you can solve it, this is by doing this: R2, U2, R2, U2 and R2, and that solves it. Now if you get one flipped edge in the second layer, this is also very common. Instead of putting another piece into and take it out, you can do it by doing this. Hold it on the right side and then do R, U2, R prime. So take the corner and put it here so you can see it on the side here. So do that again, R, U2, R prime. Now you just insert it using your left hand, so like this. So when you get to the last, when you have the line on top of the horizontal line, you can just do the algorithm once and then make the whole cross. If you get the L, you will have to do it twice, but that's a shortcut. What you can do is hold it on the front right here, and then do the double layer front move like that. Then do the forward move and undo the double layer front move. If you have no edges soft, you can just do a single layer one like that. Forward move and undo the front move. Then you can just do the double layer one and undo. If they are two opposite each other, it doesn't really matter how you hold, and just what you do the algorithm like this, and then turn the top with your left hand. Then you do the algorithm again. If you do that correctly, you should be able to line up all of them.